selfie.
Laki mo.
Ang laki.
Naging live siya lang. Somebody like me, coming out for the man.
Ready na magpakain ng mga animal?
Let's go.
Ito pang kaldereta yung giraffe.
I met you last December. I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected.
Magpe-famous ka daw, be, sa Facebook. Yung nanay mo, be, selfie.
Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards.
Laki.
Just say you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. You think you know it all, and you're probably right on most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare. I know it's useless, I'm trying to stop, and I know that it's always gonna lead back to you.
The parking. Do you need to... Alright, perfect. Ayan. Nag-check-in sila. No, that will be for the boat rooms.
Oh, for bottom
Yeah.
files, you're gonna be for the first room, 1 night room tax, and the offer is 200 for incidentals.
For 5.
5 volts? Okay,
Yes.
perfect. So your first room right there.
Mga bakasyonista. Ooh, okay. Ang ganda. Dito ka, charot.
Sira agad oh.
Ooh.
Ang
ganda. Maaraw. Ganda lang. Ganda ng paano.
ganda ng mess.
Fit check. And naka-shorts na tayo. Guys, we're off to
Six Flags, guys.
Six
Let's go.
Flags.
Yan pang mga bossy. Iba talaga. Sarap tumingin sa cameraman.
all players. Kala ko talaga kilala.
All players.
First ride. Inayo namin.
Superman.
Superman.
Superman tayo.
Inayo guys, pero kilo pag daw.
Ito.
Tonight, the sky is about to become a festival of lights.
Superman yun.
Try mo yan yung sa bubbles. Ay, dito pala. Ayun yan ay.
Clip yan. Hatab moment at Signia Hotel.
Nagutom. Midnight snack. Pizza delivery.
Diyan na? Wala pa?
Pizza delivery.
Bakit? Naging large na lang. Inside food trip.
Fish chili, no? Garlic siya.
Guys, mag-extend daw kami guys. Mag-extend daw kami pero sa ibang hotel na. Book ko na 2 rooms, 2 double bed. Book.
Pero wala na ako extra shirt kasi meron.
Book.
Bibili na
Hilton Palacio del Rio naman kami guys. Good morning guys. Check out na kami sa hotel. And hindi pa kami uuwi. Saan tayo pupunta next?
Late checkout kami pero not necessary naman na
Guys,
mag-check out kami on time.
bunot na naman ako ah. So ayun, check out na kami and
See you on our next
Yeah.
Hilton Hotel
property.
journey.
Yeah, magche-check-in pa kami sa isa pang hotel near Riverwalk. Na show.
Ikaw mo, di ba yung mix?
Ma'am, magkano bill natin, ma'am?
2,000.
Fine dining pala. Where should I get this? Bayad na siya. Tara. Extend para mag-shopping. Ooh. Okay, second hotel.
Pwede na. Oh, baby! Bula ka dito.
Saan ka excited?
Potato corner.
Gano'ng kalaki bibilin mo?
Mga ganun. Okay. Maliit lang yung kamay ko, guys.
Magiging sadder lang ako pag wala si G. May kung mag-picture na kayo, take na yung picture kasi yung video na lang.
Yan, tatawid. Magra-ride.
Hello guys, this is Ryle. And thank you for subscribing. Bye. Sabi na.
Gongcha. Tira ko. I'll do large.
So, cravings.
Alam niyo na kung isa sa mga coffee shop sa Pilipinas di... Ano yun?
Falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens,
Hindi na kami na namin umalis kasi may work pa kami mamaya.
when it happens.
Ready na ba kayo mo eh? Ready na ba kayo magtrabaho ulit?
Mabawin natin natin classes.
You want me to say something?